Y'all, it's another Patriotic Wreath. Exact same style. The kit from the Etsy store. There's about 20 of these left. This one is the blue and white ribbon. Y'all, let's get a longer tail this time. Let's go with about a 6-inch loop. Y'all, we're gonna bring that same long tail down to the bottom. On our next set, though, we're just gonna do an 8-inch tail, and we're gonna start that tail coming out the top. Now we'll go out the bottom again with a single loop on each side. All right, pipe cleaner. So, little trick. Needle nose pliers through the grapevine. Pinch your pipe cleaner. Pull it back through. So we have all of our filler. All right, let's find our nice little splice point right here. So we can get 2 out of every stem. Y'all, I think this time I'm gonna start with the blue flowers. So y'all, I'm just gonna work these around the outside of the bow. Y'all, now you're gonna wanna spread your little stems out, that way you get the most coverage as possible. All right, so I put my red in the first triangle pattern. Now I'm gonna just start filling in the other areas. All right, let's get some of our silver in here, y'all. All right, y'all, this piece is kind of big, so I'm gonna cut it into 2 smaller pieces. Now, y'all, to get the silver to show out the bottom, I actually glued it right into the grapevine down here. See? Right here. Not actually in the bow, just down here. All right? Just looking to see where we need just a little pop of silver. I feel like it needs something right here, silver. So I'm actually going to glue this between these two leaves right here. All right. So if you're in the coaching group, I will see you guys in about 20 minutes, 8:30. If you're not, you still have time to join. So, all right. Are we still shipping? Of course. You can sign up at damonscreativecoaching.com. Bye, y'all.